So here's a real problem I was facing this week. I was asked to create a quarterly sales report, but I need data on that report from different worksheets. So let me show you. I have two sheets here. One's called sales data. It has columns transaction ID, product ID, and sales amount. I have another worksheet called product info, and that has the product ID, the product name, category, and region. So I'm now making this quarter one report sheet, and I want all those columns combined on here. So I need to bring in the data to these cells here. So I need an Excel formula for cell B2 that gets product ID, product name, category, and region at once. So currently the way I'm doing that is I'm using separate VLOOKUPs. So you can see here for this worksheet I've got a VLOOKUP here, and it brings the data I need into product ID. I do the same for product name, another VLOOKUP, and for category, and for region. So I have 4 separate VLOOKUP functions per row. I also have column numbers that can break if my data changes in any worksheet. So this is quite dangerous. And these are repetitive lookups. So not only is this fragile and hard to maintain, but it took me 30 minutes or so to get this right. I also tried using this index function, but I got spill errors coming up. Instead of spending more time on VLOOKUPs and things, I asked AI for help. So this is the prompt that I've written to give to ChatGPT. So I'm saying that I have an Excel file with 3 worksheets. The first one is called sales data, and it has 3 columns, which are transaction ID, product ID, and sales amount. I have another worksheet called product info, and that has 4 columns of product ID, product name, category, and region. And I have a final sheet called Q1 report. So column A already has transaction ID, but I need to fill columns B to E with product ID, product name, category, and region. And currently I'm using 4 separate VLOOKUPs to do this. So I'm asking ChatGPT to write me a single, efficient, modern Excel formula that can fill all 4 columns at once. So I copy that prompt from my notepad and paste it into ChatGPT, and then send it off. And ChatGPT starts to work its magic, comes back with an answer for me. And here we have it. It's using something called HStack, and it does various XLOOKUPs. Now, if you're a total beginner, this is probably going to be very useful for you. It also gives you an explanation of what it's doing in each command, and I can definitely take that now and bring it across to my spreadsheet, and let's see what it gives me. So what it's actually saying here is to enter this formula in Q1 report B2 and press enter, and it should spill across columns B to E. So I just need to now copy that code. So now I just come over to my Q1 report worksheet, select cell B2 and paste in the result that ChatGPT gave me, and voila, you can see now just with that one command I've managed to populate 4 cells, and we can just fill in the others by dragging down the formula. So here's what changed. So instead of me trying to remember complex Excel syntax and all those VLOOKUPs, XLOOKUPs or whatever, I simply describe my data and my goal to AI. So ChatGPT didn't just write a formula, it wrote a better formula than I would have come up with on my own. It used modern functions I didn't know, and it solved my problem in seconds instead of minutes. So your takeaway is, don't struggle to remember Excel functions. Learn to describe your data problems clearly to AI. The formulas will follow. By using ChatGPT, I demonstrate the power of AI-assisted Excel work. If you use Microsoft Office at work and you're curious how ChatGPT can actually fit into everyday tasks, I've put together a practical guide that shows how it works in practice. You can find the link in the description below.